if you're watching this video, I would say there's a very strong chance that you come across it because you've been Providence attracted to it, where you're going to be taught about gardening, but specifically organic gardening, and especially what sort of plants are beneficial for your health. Especially in the current times where we're in the UK and worldwide, we've had a pandemic. You need to understand what food you should be eating to prevent problems with this pandemic and any other future pandemics. So, if you like the video, submit to our channel, right? Press that, submit to our channel, and you'll be able to get access to our videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. In addition, LinkedIn, press the link below and you get access to our ebooks on psoriasis, on the immune system, and on basically diabetes. Okay? Now, so this is a very unusual plant. This thing is so healthy. I want you to watch this. It's so healthy. Now, this is an old leaf. Can you see how green that is? Like that. And this is a young leaf. Can you see how young that is? Yeah. Now, when I look at that, I know this plant's healthy. Very good signs. Can you see? It's like a pale brown. That will turn green like that. You get the idea? So, when you look at that, you see? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Right? Now, that is a mature Kaffir lime. Right? This is not. So, you don't use that one. So, with this one, this is phenomenal in fish curry, chicken curry, meat curry. You put about 3 or 4, this is how the Thai cooking is done. They use this Kaffir lime, and you can, when you break it up, you smell that. Smell that.
That smells like the mint in the front you got.
It does, doesn't it? Here, but it's actually Kaffir lime, right? So that Kaffir lime is brilliant for lifting your chicken, lifting your fish, and so on and so on. So I'm teaching him not just gardening, but teaching how to cook as well, so that as he gets more and more excited, he'll be very in good shape, right? So the Kaffir lime is used with ginger, chili, garlic, and shallots and onions, and that lifts the whole profile of your food up, right? So would you like to comment about what you've learned so far?
So I think this one here, you can tell because the one that's the older leaf,
yes,
when you see in the sun,
yes,
it's really like older.
Yes.
And then if you got the browner ones,
yes,
it means like they're the baby ones. And
correct.
Then once you got this one, it means it's the kid and the teenager, and then the
well done.
adult.
Well done. That's a good analogy. The kid, teenager, adult.
And also the stem here is really strong.
Very strong.
And
very
these,
strong. Yeah. And when you know a tree is fertilized, you see, you've got to be always on the alert. I'm going to show you why. See, this is very good. See, healthy. But then look here. Can you see how it's died back? See? See that? So with that, I'm going to put the secateurs in, cut this off so that the leaves, because this will upset the tree otherwise. So we'll cut the tree off about here. You see? And then, but you see everything else. See there, growing, growing here, growing here. So most of the trees got this new leaf. Yeah. But there's the odd one like that that's got to be taken off. So you've got to be always on the lookout to take out the old leaf. Otherwise it cannot take. Now, this plant, I'm not joking, this plant, I could sell 5 of those for £4 to a Thai restaurant. You know what they'll do with this? They'll make a dish and they'll sell the dish for £10. Because that's what gives it the flavour.
And then they will give you the £10.
Yeah. Oh, well, you make them pay the £4 or £5. They'll make a meal with this, and because the Thai restaurant doesn't grow this, we grow it, right? So then you can get it for £5, get £5. They sell it for £10, and the customer pays. And they said, "Wow, we've never tasted food like this." You know why? Because they're putting organic Kaffir lime in the food. Can you see how smart that is? You got to always think as well. It's not just eating your food, but always commercially. You know what it means commercially? You got to look at getting your income. That's the way of doing it. So smell that. You smell that. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? It is, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So if you're watching this channel, I would suggest you press the publish button, and that publish button will give you the actual access to videos on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturdays. Also, in addition, we've got ebooks on psoriasis, ebooks on diabetes, and ebooks on the immune system. very well written. It took 3 or 4 months each to write during lockdown. And a lot of people have given us feedback that they are feeling so much better after getting the information from the book and work through it. So would you like to comment on what you learned?
So click the subscribe button
Look
and the like, so then we know you've like our videos, so and then we'll do more videos, and click the bell so you get notifications when we do more videos.
Fantastic.